Welcome to an in-depth look at the Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo S, a car that redefines what it means to be an electric vehicle, blending the heart-racing performance of a Porsche sports car with the versatility of an SUV. This is not just any EV, it's a high-performance crossover, crafted for those who expect more from their drive. Today, we'll explore every detail that makes the Taycan Cross Turismo S a standout, from its cutting-edge design to the power under its hood and the luxury waiting inside. The Taycan Cross Turismo S starts with a distinctive design, featuring Porsche's classic wide stance, sleek roofline, and enhanced ground clearance for versatility on all terrains. Roof rails and rugged body cladding add practicality and style, while the gravel mode makes handling loose surfaces easy, bridging the gap between high-performance driving and off-road capability. With a dual-motor setup, the Taycan Cross Turismo S offers a thrilling 616 horsepower in normal driving mode and up to 750 horsepower when launch control is activated in the Turbo S model. The acceleration is breathtaking, taking you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. It also features a 93.4 kilowatt-hour performance battery plus, with an impressive 283-mile range, delivering longer drives with minimal recharging stops. Its 800-volt architecture allows ultra-fast charging, reaching 5% to 80% in about 22 minutes on a DC fast charger, making it convenient for both short trips and cross-country drives. Inside, luxury and innovation meet with high-end materials like leather and Alcantara, and a minimalist, tech-forward design. Dual high-resolution screens, a 16.8-inch curved display for the driver, and a 10.9-inch central infotainment screen keep everything you need at your fingertips, while the optional Burmester surround sound system makes every drive immersive. With standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation, staying connected and in control has never been easier. The Cross Turismo S excels in practicality. It has up to 15.7 cubic feet of rear cargo space, expanding to 42.8 cubic feet when you fold the rear seats, plus an additional frunk for more storage. This makes it perfect for everything from groceries to weekend getaways, proving that high performance doesn't mean sacrificing space. Porsche's charging planner allows you to pre-schedule charging stops on long drives, and a built-in mobile charger provides up to 11 kilowatt AC charging. Additionally, climate preconditioning optimizes battery temperature, ensuring efficient charging in any condition. The Taycan Cross Turismo S includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and Porsche's InnoDrive with semi-autonomous functionality, which keeps long highway drives smooth and stress-free. The adjustable air suspension and all-wheel drive are ready for any terrain, while Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control minimizes body roll, giving you total stability and control on every curve. With its powerful dual motors, advanced tech, versatile cargo options, and unmistakable Porsche style, the Taycan Cross Turismo S is not just a car. It's a revolution in the electric vehicle world. It takes the thrill of driving and combines it with the practicality of a crossover, giving you a car ready for any adventure. So, whether it's the open road, mountain trails, or city streets, the Taycan Cross Turismo S has you covered. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive, and remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Where would you take the Taycan Cross Turismo S on its first drive?